All right, and on a serious and less fictional note, this is one that is a long overdue. We have hit over 110 subs in YouTube and over 110 followers on Twitch. So it is about time for us to do the 100 follower / I guess subscriber special here. And to be honest, I can't thank you guys enough. When I started streaming in the mornings and you guys started flowing in a lot more, bad phrasing, it was really inspiring. Like, this has been seriously like one of the biggest highlights of my life the last few months. It's not only motivated me to just continue doing game development, but also giving me a chance to speak with people from literally all over the world that I wouldn't have gotten a chance to without doing any of this. I have been sporadically doing this for a couple of years now. If you've been a fan of the channel for a while, you've just checked me out on, God forbid, some of my other secret stuff. It's not that weird. It's just literally like old game stuff. You know that I've kind of fallen off every time I do this, but this year it's just really clicked. We have completed 2 entire games on this channel now. Two, count them, 1, 2, that's 2 fingers right there. And by complete, I mean like we have literally actually shown these to people. I've gone out into the real world, show these to people, to get their criticisms, look them dead in the eye, for them to tell me that, hey, I played this and I didn't explode. I had to touch grass. Do you understand how painful that is? Do you understand the feeling in my fingertips I got when I did that? But for real, I wouldn't have been able to do that without any of you. This has been a serious impact in my life, and I cannot express how thankful I am for all of you, both on YouTube, on Twitch, people who've helped me on Reddit, the Discord community I get to wake up to every single morning to see whatever wild meme you guys have posted, or just some insanely out of bounds talented projects that y'all have made. And honestly, it's incredible to be able to say that Iduknow is not just me anymore, but a community of so many people. It's more than I could possibly ask for, and I can't wait to keep doing this. Seriously, thank you guys. And this would not be a 100 special if I didn't actually give you guys something pretty crazy. So with this being the 100 followers / 100 subscriber special, I have something pretty insane planned for you guys. Meet Sinjin Schaller, aka Evander, aka Altature, who runs his own studio making a game of the exact same name under a cyberpunk theme. He also happens to be an insanely talented Blender artist. And for my recent 23rd birthday, he has actually offered to teach a Blender masterclass for anyone who is interested. And when I say this guy's good, I mean he is good. He was one of the first people to hop back into streams when I started streaming this a lot more consistently. And he's been a huge inspiration to myself. And now he is imparting a lot of that knowledge to you guys for free. So starting August 30th at 11 a.m. PST on twitch.tv/Iduknow Entertainment, or right here on the Zonk YouTube channel, Evander will be doing his Blender Masterclass. It currently contains a bunch of stuff that people in the server have recommended. So if you actually see this before that day, submit something in the server. Maybe you'll get what you want to learn added to the curriculum. He's already posted a bunch of examples of free to use assets for anyone in the server. So again, if you haven't joined if you want those, and examples of what he'll be teaching. Seriously, this is crazy, and the fact that this is free and the fact that this is a birthday present, yeah, y'all know how to make me feel real special. It is seriously completely free, and if you can't even make the course live, I'll be posting the VODs on the YouTube channel. We'll be doing this every other Friday for the foreseeable, whenever, I guess when the course ends. You don't even need to know how to use Blender. It is for all ages. So seriously, thank you, Sinjin, Evander, Alta, for doing this, dude. This is insane. Like, I've talked about this. We've been organizing this for like a month now. So the fact that this is happening is it's crazy. It's insane. So again, did I mention this course was free? Did I mention you could actually request what you want to do in the course on the Discord server? Link is in the bio. Not bio. Is it bio on YouTube? I don't know. I'm keeping this video short and sweet. This was the big announcement. And if you're interested in just seeing what else we were doing on here, I stream now consistently every Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. PST to 11 a.m. PST to usually 1 PST or beyond. And sometimes we even stream twice. But yeah, seriously guys, you have become extremely important in my life, and this is awesome. Here's to over 100 subscribers and followers. And here's to just seeing how big the community can grow. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Peace.